This right here is $20,000, and I made it all from an app, and I'm about to show you how you can do the exact same thing, even if you are a small creator. Now, if me showing this right here made you feel some type of way, I apologize, you feel me? You should click off this video. This is not for you. If this right here made you feel inspired and motivated, and the fact that I said you could do it as a small creator, keep watching, because I literally am about to show you exactly how to do it. So the method in which I use right here is called affiliate marketing. To break it down a little bit, affiliate marketing is basically promoting a product and getting an affiliate share off of it. As y'all know, TikTok Shop do it, Amazon Associates do it. It's a lot of different ways to get into it, and the good thing about it is you could be a small creator and still do it. Some platforms allow you or make you have to be a big creator and stuff like that, and others will just allow you to come as you is and start promoting their product, because you got to think about it, these apps want more people on their platform, so you could be the one to bridge that gap amongst peers, because the best type of promotion is word of mouth promotion. I'm about to give y'all a step-by-step blueprint on how to get this bread, you know what I'm saying? Exactly what I just showed y'all. So step number one, I'm gonna get right into it. Y'all know I don't waste no time, man. Step number one is to choose the right platform and program. For me, I use a sports betting app. Link is in the description, but I'm gonna tell you more about the app and its specifics a little later, so you can wait until then. The reason I use a sports betting app, because I like watching sports. Growing up, I always watched sports, but as I got into my content creator journey, I really stopped because I had better things to do in terms of actually making videos, doing things like that. So I kind of cut it off from my free time until sports betting came along, where you can make money by betting on players. And if y'all don't know, bro, I was hitting shit like.
Wait, AB sent all the picks, nigga. I'm playing every one. I don't care. And we got Sunday. Hey, Sunday, AB, I'm over there early, nigga. Let's watch football Sunday morning. We all got to. Davo just won the band. I just won 500. AB just won 500. I think Tay at work right now. He just won 500 too. Hey, if y'all ain't betting, what y'all doing, man? Hey, AB send the next bets, man.
All them tickets hit. WAB, bitch, I'm up 490, Slime. Up 490. Hey, AB just filled up the whole game pocket, Slime. On God. Then you probably let my shit. Hey, he probably got the shorty head for some shit too. Finna go check her shit out.
I got various like screenshots and stuff of me hitting when I was like just doing it for fun, you know what I'm saying? And then I eventually stopped and just pursued the content creation and shit like that, until I figured out a thing called affiliate marketing, what I'm teaching y'all right now. So I was like, wow, what if I was to show people my hits, give them my picks, and then affiliate market the apps at the same exact time? That's exactly what happened. But I'm going to tell you a little later the bonus tip on what really solidified it and what really made me go the extra mile. I'm going to tell y'all that later, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. But that's step number one, is to find the right affiliate program for you. Step number two is to create value with your product. Now, this is the most important step. You have to create value. Value is the most important thing here, because if you just promote something and this doesn't make sense, nobody is going to want to get that app, or nobody's going to go get that. For me, I created value because I had picks already that was doing really good. You know what I'm saying? People would DM me saying, send me the picks, send me the picks, send me the picks. It made sense for me to sponsor an app, and in return, the app pays me to get people on their platform. So that's what I went with. And it's countless of other affiliates. I think every app does an affiliate program. And like I told y'all, if you stay tuned, I'm going to give you an exact one. The exact one that I use, bro. Just be patient. Last but not least, man, step number three is to add the affiliate link and tell people to click it and download it, bro. That's literally it. So if you want to take advantage of this, the literal app that I'm using, and just for transparency, I still got more on this bitch too. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't say no cap. Like, everything I'm saying right now is 100% facts. Like 100% facts. You can Google it. But if you want this exact, let me show y'all receipts, bro. If you want this exact same thing, like literally, look. This is my live dashboard. It's a section right here that says refer your friends. Anybody got this section? You can literally get this section right now. So if you want to take advantage of this, man, this is what you do. Step number one is to download this app. Link is in the description. Step number two is to use code AB and deposit
$20 or more. It is instantly doubled.
Step number three is to follow my betting page at Avery Bets. And if you want picks, follow that, send me proof, and I will add you to my DM list. I will add you to my close friends, and my close friends, I give y'all picks. And if you want to really take advantage of this, literally, once you sign up, click here and go to this section and start inviting your friends, bro. And you will literally get money every time somebody follows your steps, man. So for the game, all I'm asking y'all is this, bro. You know what I'm saying? All I'm asking y'all for this is a free video. You feel me? It's on YouTube. I could have put this in my community, but I'm trying to spread this shit to everybody. I'm giving you guys value. All I want y'all to do is to follow these steps and do it for yourself, man. Once you made your first $25, comment down below and say you made your first $25 because you referred somebody using affiliate marketing. Shout out to you. You just made money as a content creator, as an affiliate marketer for the first time in your life, man. If you followed all these steps, comment down below that you got your first $25. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.